What is up guys, in this video I'm going to share with you how to make $100 per day as a teenager, and even if you are not a teenager still you can make money with this method very easily even if you have zero money to start. And this is by far one of the most easiest business model. Okay, but before that, if you want 100% free training to make your first $100 per day as a complete beginner, then check out the link in the description, and after this training you can easily make $100 per day online. And also if you like videos about making money online and entrepreneurship related videos, so be sure to hit the subscribe button and also click the bell icon to join the entrepreneur family. So let's get started. So we are going to simply hop onto the whiteboard. So there we are going to learn which business model is this. So what do you need? Okay, literally first of all, what you do not need. Okay, you do not need any money. You can start this with zero money. With zero money, absolutely zero money. And then after, what you need, you do not even need any product. There is no need of any product, and there is no need of kind of any store. For example, in the case of the Shopify, you need a store, you need to start a store, and even you do not have to invest any money into the paid traffic. But yeah, you can scale this business with the paid traffic later on in the upcoming days. But today we are only going to talk about how you can start this business with zero money. And what I'm going to do, this is by far one of my favorite business model. Okay, why? Just because, as I already told you, there is no cost, there is no inventory, there is no products to be created, there is no store needed, nothing. We just need to start influencing others, and even if you are not good at that, still you can start making money. So what it is called, it is called the affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing. Why? Because in the affiliate marketing, why it is the best business model? Just because in the affiliate marketing, you do not need to create any product. The products are already available on the marketplaces like ClickBank, Amazon, or JVZoo, Warrior Plus. So what you can do, you can promote all of these products, pick any of the products from here, and can start promoting those products for 50, 75, or even up to 100% commission. So you can really think the commission is huge, and you do not need to do any kind of work. What you need to do, the whole of the things, each of the things are really simple. You just need to drive the traffic to the offer, and that's it. You will be boom. But how you can make this a sustainable business model, and how you can make millions of dollars? You know, Alex Becker, Pat Flynn, and there are many other guys who are making millions of dollars with this method. Okay, literally guys, this is the easiest way ever. You can also promote the softwares like Builderall, ClickFunnels, or even Getresponse or Market Hero, and there are many other softwares you can start promoting in the affiliate marketing. So now we are going to discuss discuss affiliate marketing in a more detail. Okay, so now, as I already told you, even if you have zero money, still you can start. So first of all, if you have zero money, you can use the Getresponse. Okay, because if you are broke and you do not have any money, you can get the 30-day free trial for the Getresponse. And if you are going to do the work properly, you can really start making money within just 30 days. Okay, so now what you need, we just need we need two tools. One is the landing page creator, okay, and another one is the autoresponder. And both of these tools are included in the Getresponse with a 30-day free trial. So if you are going to use that, you do not need to invest any money. Still you are not going to make money, because if you are going to do it properly, you will start making money within 30 days. Okay, so now what is the business model? What we need to do in this? Okay, so what we need to do, we simply need to start doing this stuff from here. So this is the social media websites. For example, it can be the Facebook, it can be YouTube, it can be Instagram and stuff like that. It can be any website like this. Okay, and thereafter what comes, just wait for a second. Okay, thereafter comes the opt-in page. Okay, thereafter comes the opt-in page, and this is what you can create it with the landing page creator in the Getresponse or ClickFunnels or Lead Pages. There are many softwares available. Okay, so now The catch is this over here. As you can see, this is the stuff we have prepared. So this is the only thing you need to do. You need to drive the traffic from the social media, and it can be from the Facebook, YouTube, Instagram, and even these are the free methods. What you can do, you can start posting on the Instagram on daily basis, and you will be start driving traffic from there. What you can do, you can start promoting, so you can start posting daily videos on the YouTube, and in the end you can pitch a product. You can simply pitch a product. You can tell them, hey, if you want faster results, check out the link in the description. You are going to learn a lot. You can do something like that, and after that you can send them to an opt-in page. You can also give something for free in your on your YouTube channel. For example, I give sometimes ebook or maybe a video training as well. Okay, so then thereafter what you can do, you can give them something for free which will attract more and more leads. Okay, more and more people will come to your web's opt-in page and will start giving their email because they want the free stuff. Okay, because they want the free stuff, and here you are going to collect the email. Now thereafter comes the real part. You have two choices. One of the two choices is to start promoting over here. What you can do, you can simply send them to a sales page where you can start making money from there, or otherwise you can send them to a thank you page. This is what I like, because I want to build a long-term relation with them. I want them to open my emails because I will be sending them a lot of value. And the real part comes from here, guys, from here, because here we are going to send them the emails, and in the emails we can send them to our YouTube channel to grow our YouTube channel, or maybe to the sales page. Sometimes we are going to provide them value, sometimes we are going to provide sometimes we are going to pitch them. There is nothing bad. If you really feel bad about selling, then that is the reason you maybe you are not making any money. That is also one of the big reason. Okay, so now as you can see, the simple business model is we are going to start driving the traffic from here with the help of the social media to sending the traffic to an opt-in page where we are going to collect their email, and thereafter we can sell them anything with the emails, or maybe after the opt-in page as well. Okay, so now the real part comes over here, because once you have collected the leads will be there with you for lifetime. Yeah, probably nobody is going to buy for like 10-20 years, but a lot of the marketers are there from whom the leads are buying from 4 to 5 years consistently. That is the reason that you are going to make at least $1 is the cheapest amount, I can say, guys. If you can make $1 per email, it's going to be super easy. And if you are going to use just 3 traffic sources, for example YouTube, Instagram, and also the Facebook, that will be 3 traffic sources. And in order to make $1,000 in your first month, you just need how many sales? You just need 1,000 leads. You just need 1,000 leads, because with each one you can easily make $1. Okay, and in the second month you will be able to do some stuff like that. In the first month you got 1,000 leads. Okay, and in the second month, because the efforts are now bringing more results, so you will be able to get at least 2,000 leads in the second month, because now you know what is working, whether YouTube is working for you, whether Instagram is working for you, whether Facebook is working for you, whether Snapchat is working for you. Whatever is going to work you should start giving more and more time to that traffic source, so you will be easily able to get at least 2,000 subscribers in the next month. That was going to be about 3,000 subscribers, and if you are going to just make $1 per email, that is going to be $3,000 per month. That means $100 every single day, and that is just by sending emails, sometimes sending valuable emails, and thereafter pitching them. Okay, so what you can do, you can promote them a good offer. You can find the offers from the ClickBank or maybe JVZoo or anywhere, and thereafter you can, or if you cannot find the products on these marketplace, you can search over here. For example, like guitar. Okay, we can simply search over here for like the guitar affiliate programs. Okay, for guitar affiliate programs. So when I will be searching for this, I will start getting a lot of the programs. Look at this: guitar lessons affiliate program, guitar tricks affiliate program, and then you are going to find a lot of the affiliate programs then you can join and start promoting to your list, because that is also going to be one of the easy way to start making money. So what I want to tell you is, if you want a detailed training on this, you want a free ebook and a free training, then check out the first link in the description, because there you will get 100% free ebook and a training where I will discuss with you 4 free traffic sources, okay, and with which you will be able to go from $0 to $100 a day online while working from home. You just need to give some work and you will be able to make at least $100 a day online. Okay, so I will see you in the training, and bye bye for now.